Guys, Garnier just sent me their festive hamper and I can't wait to see what's inside. So let's unbox it together.
At this cutest hamper given by Guardian. I mean, it's so pretty. Let's see what all we have got in this hamper. Cute little potly bag will go with every Indian wear for this festive season. We have got this beautiful little hand mirror which looks so elegant.
Last but not the least, Garnier Color Natural Hair Color in the shade brown.
Long lasting color up to 10 weeks, visible on dark hair, and it is infused with 3 natural oils.
Can't wait to try this hair color on me because honestly, I only trust in Garnier when it comes to my hair. Thanks to Garnier, I'm officially festive.